Hi, my River City fans. They got some teachers here for a conference, and they're going to explain their conference.
Hi, my name is Heather.
I'm Jamie. I'm from Philadelphia.
I'm from Massachusetts, and we're here for the ISTE conference.
ISTE stands for International Society for Technology in Education. And it's actually ISTE plus ASCD, which is Association for Supervision and Curriculum Development. This is the largest EdTech organization and the largest supervision administration organization for education in the world. We have 70-something countries here at the conference, with 1,800 presentations being done, ranging from strategies for your classroom management, to EdTech devices and EdTech, all the EdTech stuff.
And we appreciate San Antonio hosting us.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening. Bye.